What's up guys, Ivan here from OrbitalTech. In today's video I'm gonna do unboxing and overview of the FALLOUT Anthology edition. And here's the package. Just look at that mini Nuke inside. So from what I can see at the back, it is 5 game set. The game should be somewhere inside. Okay, let's take out that bad boy. The Nuke itself looks very well made and definitely looks very realistic. The material seems to be high quality. I think I know what's that part at the bottom, but we'll show you later. Stay tuned. Now, let's try to open that baby. Nice! See how they managed to put all the games inside, very cool. I don't see anything else inside, apparently only the game lives there. Let me put that aside. Okay, the art of the box is gorgeous. Oh look, there's more. And here's the games with the CDs inside. Some paper stuff. We can see the advertisement of the game Dishonored and Doom 4 on the other side. Let's take a look at the games inside. This is Fallout 1, I think. The second is Fallout Tactics. Continuing with the Fallout 2, Fallout 3, Game of the Year Edition, Fallout New Vegas Ultimate Edition, very nice artwork there. And the last cover is the newest Fallout 4, but only the cover. The game itself is sold separately, unfortunately. I think this is very nice collector edition overall. The build quality is amazing. The rust looks so real, like it's made from metal, not plastic. And last but not least, remember the gadget at the bottom. Now take a look at this, guys. The triangle at the bomb is actually a button. And now it's pressed, you've got the sound effects from the game, with the cap sound at the end. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, smash that like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for more videos like this. Till next time.